What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives. I grabs Volvo cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63. This vehicle is powered by a bi-turbo 4-liter V8 with 603 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and also has a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It can do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. So I've never driven the GLS 63 of this generation before, so I'm excited to do so today. You have a cool steering wheel, Mercedes-AMG steering wheel, pretty standard, big Mercedes logo. You also have the drive mode selector on the steering wheel itself, as you can see right here. AMG Dynamics. I like these little screens on the wheel. You also have a head-up display, of course. You have a nice, beautiful brown interior in here. You have a Burmester sound system. It says AMG on the seats. Very nice headrests. Panoramic sunroof as well. Heated and ventilated seats, which is cool. Big shift paddles. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 camera as well as a regular view camera. So you can control the modes using this or that. Looks like it sounds pretty good. And you also have like a little air suspension button over here on this car, which is nice. Well, let's walk around it and see what it looks like. Blue exterior on this car, V8 bi-turbo badges on the side. You also have Vossen wheels on this vehicle. Looks awesome. And this is a really nice blue color. In the sun it actually looks like it's a kind of purple. I don't know what it's called, but it looks really cool. You also have the AMG door sills. GLS 63 badge on the back. Quad outlet exhaust. AMG badge. And here's the space in the trunk with the third row up. Very spacious. Vehicle for passengers. And it has like the chrome trim, gives it a more luxury vibe on this one. But let's get out on the road, see what it's like to drive it now. Yeah, it's pretty fast. No surprise there. It is a really big car, so it's not like, you know, this is not a car that's gonna be, it's fast but at the end of the day, it's like a giant tank. So it's not gonna be like, what do you call, blisteringly fast, but it's gonna be fast for its size, if you get what I mean. Kind of in traffic hours, so we're just gonna have to cruise a little bit. You put your foot down and it'll pick up and go. I can hear the pops from the exhaust too, which is interesting. Nice. Seats are really comfortable. It's very comfortable in here. Suspension's nice and raised on the car. That's cool. This thing's like a giant tank with a lot of power. But yeah, car feels you know, very well made, very well built. Has like that solid feeling. And it feels pretty nimble too, for despite it being a giant SUV, you can kind of weave in and out of traffic because the steering is so precise, you know what I mean? Look at that. That's awesome. It's just fun downshifting and just accelerating into it. I love the pops from the exhaust. Look at that steering, like it's just so precise, which I didn't expect. I love the sound from that V8. Obviously it has synthesized noise too, but overall it just sounds awesome. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the steering in this. I know it's an AMG, but for an SUV that's this big to feel this nimble with such precise steering is very impressive. Because there are a lot of performance SUVs out there which are giant SUVs which don't have precise steering like this. So that's the biggest surprise of this whole driving experience of this car to me, you know? And also what's nice is, despite being in the aggressive sport driving settings with the AMG Dynamics mode and the Sport Plus mode, the car feels really comfortable at the same time, which I think is nice how Mercedes did that. Despite being in the sport modes, it doesn't feel punishing to drive in any way. This is like a very comfortable car to drive and fun car to drive at the same time. And you get the elevation from the road that you want in an SUV like this. You get the seat comfort, especially for what this car probably costs brand new, like probably like 130,000 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe more, honestly. These GLS AMGs are expensive, you know. yeah, like again, guys, I'm just very impressed with how nimble this thing feels. Feels so nimble for its size. Like, I'm really impressed with that. So awesome job from Mercedes. This interior is absolutely stunning. It's a really beautiful car. I really like this GLS 63, and again, I mentioned this is my first time driving this generation of the GLS 63, or it might be my first time driving any AMG GLS. So overall, great jump from Mercedes. Definitely exceeded my expectations with this car, and again, considering the price point that this vehicle's in, that shouldn't come as a surprise, but I am still surprised either way. But we've now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine, so we're about to wrap up today's video. Overall, this 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 is an awesome SUV. Had a great time driving it, and highly recommend it if you're looking for this car. Thanks for watching Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome pre-owned luxury SUVs like this one.